Go carpet cleaning in Ansley Park, Georgia. Testimonials. Searching for a carpet cleaning business that cares about your well-being as much as they care about clean carpets? Look no further than Go Carpet Cleaning. This is why our customers contact us. Jarifa says.
They were very quick and professional. I had missed the technician's first few calls, but they answered my call back immediately. I am impressed with their customer service. I recommend them highly.
See what Anna says.
He worked fast, and I don't even want to walk on my carpet. It looks like I just moved in. I definitely recommend his services for life.
Ashley says.
Ben was absolutely amazing. He was very prompt, professional, and it is very obvious he cares and has a magic touch with stains. His customer service is an 11 out of 10 and I would highly recommend his services.
Go Carpet Cleaning is among the leading carpet cleaning service providers in Ansley Park. Specializing in business and residential carpets, rugs and upholstery services, we provide natural cleaning solutions to battle any stain, even tough ones. Have a look at our additional services. Cleaning traffic patterns. Upholstery cleaning. Air duct cleaning. Rug cleaning. Pet stains and odors cleaning. Commercial services. We focus on office and residential carpet cleaning, utilizing just natural, eco-friendly solutions that are safe for your family members and your family pets. Today there are numerous happy customers across all neighborhoods who rely greatly upon our qualified specialists, since nothing gets easier than having a professional clean. Visit us at gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.